Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn a class 10 English poem Sonnet 73, That Time of the Year's question and answers. And today we are going to see here part 1 of this question and answer session. So let's start. But before that students, if you're viewing my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all the upcoming videos. Do watch the video till end, and if you like it, hit the like button and also share with your friends. So moving on to question answers, we have comprehension questions. Answer the following questions briefly. Under that first one, which of the following four seasons is the poet talking about in the first stanza? Spring, summer, autumn, or winter? Answer is autumn. Next B question. Which words in the stanza support your answer? Answer is when yellow leaves or none or few do hang. These words show that this season is autumn. Next question. The four seasons correspond to the four stages of man's life: childhood, youth, old age, and death. Where does the poet imagine himself to be? Answer. The poet imagines the autumn season. My way of life is falling into sere, the yellow leaf. He imagines himself to be in his old age. Okay. Third question under that A. What are compared to bare ruined choirs? Answer. Bare ruined choirs are compared to the boughs or branches on which birds used to sit and sing but now are vacant or empty. Okay. B question. What does the comparison mean? Answer. The comparison reveals that the boughs or the branches have become bare now, bereft of all leaves and birds that used to sing. Means now there are no leaves in the branches and no birds are sitting in the trees to sing. Moving on to the next question. Through the image of late autumn in the first stanza, the poet convinces his friend that he is close to his death. What image does the poet use in the second stanza? Answer. The twilight of such day as after sunset fades in the west, day by day black light takes away. Okay. Fifth question. Like seasons or stages of man's life, a day can also be divided into four stages: morning, noon, evening, and night. Where does the poet imagine himself to be in the second stanza? Answer is evening. Next question. What is referred to as death's second self? Answer. Death second self refers to as black night or sleep. It also refers to sleep as the death of each day's life. Okay, next one, seventh question. Identify the metaphors used by the poet to show the approach of death. Answer. Twilight, black night, sleep are referred to as deaths. Sleep is almost similar to death. A person who is sleeping is dead to the outside world. Next. Through the usage of twilight, the poet repeats that he is approaching the night of his life. What image does he use in the next stanza? Answer. The poet has used the image of a dying out fire on a bed of ashes. Next question. As in the other images, the fire image of the third stanza also has four stages: fuel, flame, ember, ash. Which stage does the poet identify himself with? Answer is ash. Okay. Next one. What lies on the ashes of its youth? Answer. The poet's life. Poet's life lies on the ashes of its youth. Okay. Next question. What does deathbed mean here? Answer. As the fire is about to die, Ashes are covering it. Deathbed means the ash, the deathbed of fire. Next question. This in the couplet refers back to the three quatrains, forward to the next two lines, or to both. So answer is A, back to the three quatrains. Okay. Moving on to the next question. When does love become more strong? Answer. Love becomes more stronger when it is time to leave, to let go. Next question. The poem is about the stage of life in which the poet imagines himself to be. What stage does he imagine himself to be in? Comparing life to the seasons, he identifies his present stage with dash season. So answer is autumn, autumn season. Okay. Next, comparing life to the day, he identifies his present stage with the time with dash time of the day. It's sunset or twilight. Okay. Next one. Comparing life to the fire, he identifies his present stage with dash. Answer is old age or ash. Okay, so these were the first 13 questions of your textbooks. So I hope it's clear and you got the answers for all the questions and you like the video. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe the channel too. We'll be back soon with the second part of this question and answer session. Till then, stay safe and take care. Thank you.